I'm GIS. In this tutorial, we'll explore a powerful new enhancement to a TURBOARD feature you already use. You know how slicers turn your dashboards into interactive experiences, but what about simple tables and maps built only with data cells? Now we've unlocked that same power for them too. Let's start with a simple pivot table, using only the data cells pane. You don't need to define formal measures or dimensions. Now, you can enable the slicer on the sample dashlets, a feature already reserved for structured charts with measures or dimensions, and select any data cell to act as your filter. This new capability is also fully available for your GIS maps, giving you the same powerful filtering options. Let's place them on a dashboard to see this new filtering power in action across multiple dashlets. By clicking on a slicer set data cell from the table, you are applying a filter that instantly updates the map and every other dashlet on your dashboard. This applies also to the GIS map, where you set a data cell from it as a slicer. This new feature gives you more speed and flexibility to explore your data. Remember, I'm always here to help you get the most out of TURBOARD. Enjoy the new possibilities. TURBOARD. Turn data into value.